You open your eyes at 4:53 a.m., not because of an alarm. Your body learned years ago that hesitation costs money. 3 Bloomberg terminals pulse green and red across from your bed. $9 trillion in assets under management. The capital starts moving before ministers check phones, before central bank governors drink coffee. You move it. On the desk sits a black folder. No markings, no logo. Inside, 12 names typed, Courier New, font 12. No titles, no explanations. Only 3 people in the world know what this list means. You are one of them. By Thursday, the list will be shorter, not because people died, because you decided. If you want to see how someone goes from counting coins to deciding who disappears, subscribe. 21 years ago, you counted coins at a supermarket checkout. 17 years ago, $91,000 in debt and a terminal that crashed every 4 hours. You worked in the basement of the same building, same address, different floor, different you. The terminal blinks. The machine is waiting. You were 24 when it first noticed you. Level 1. You are 24, building a pitch deck at 3:47 a.m., coffee cold. Office empty except 3 analysts staring at spreadsheets glowing like altars. Nobody talks, just server hum. This is level 1, the furnace room. Your monitor shows Excel. 38 tabs, modeling acquisition of logistics company. Everything depends whether company can reduce headcount, 18% maintain efficiency. Math precise. Human cost not modeled. You find error 4:37 a.m. Cell G 447. Misplaced decimal. Do not catch it. Fund loses 8 million. Miss it? Gone Monday. No second chance. Earn 56 years salary, 4 seconds catching typo. Nobody says thank you. Expected. But cell contains more than number. Row 447 shows name. David Ramirez, 42, 19 years meridian, efficiency 89%. Replacement costs 75,000 less. You correct decimal. Model accurate. Ramirez moves retain to optimize. Do not know this yet. MD arrives 7. Read summary. 1 page, 4 numbers. Nods. Good work. Does not look at you. Year 2, you sit across pension trustees. 430 million. Colorado Teachers Fund. Margaret Chen, 63, former teacher, asks downside scenario. Worst case, 3.2%. Below inflation. You use language carefully. Prolonged recessionary environment. Sector headwinds. Returns compressed but strategy viable. What you mean? Market crashes, you lose money, cannot get back. She hears. Smart decision. Sign. Commission. 220. 3 weeks later, floor 32. Partner shows spreadsheet, 800 names. Meridian employees. Reduction 812. EBITDA. Improvement 41 million. Build 18 slides, make losses sound strategic. Right sizing. Operational leverage. Language insulation. Board approves. Trustees receive guidance. Investment exceeding projections. Returns 11.4%. Chen does not know. Returns cost 812 jobs. Promotion. Salary plus 180. Cannot unsee spreadsheet. Word optimization. Cross line. Building machine. Machine building you back. Level 2. You are 28. Floor 9. 2 years after Meridian. Envelope at desk. No return address. Inside. Printed email thread. Your name highlighted. Subject headcount optimization. Meridian logistics. Below, newspaper clipping. Former Meridian manager found dead financial stress. Name David Ramirez. Do not remember him. Email shows you approved model. Terminated his position. Cell G 447. Decimal you corrected. Someone printed this. Someone knows. Watching. Check envelope. No postmark. Hand delivered. Left desk during meeting. Look around floor. 43 people. Any could have. Or none. Burn envelope kitchen sink. Not afraid. Evidence liability. That night change password. Enable 2-factor. Delete files older 6 months. Wipe history. Not guilt. Protocol. Machine taught consequences exist only if documented. Stop documenting. 3 days approve first direct termination. Junior analyst. Miss deadline. Do not hesitate. Do not explain. Say position eliminated. Asks why. Say restructuring. Asks anything different. Say no. Not personal. Operational. Leaves. Do not watch go. Return screen. Machine rewards. People do not look back. Week salary increases 68,000. Did not ask. System moves money toward people make decisions without hesitation. Learned rule. Proximity. Capital. Proximity power. Hesitation distance. Do not hesitate anymore. Level 3. You are 31. Control trading systems moving 2-1 billion daily. Design rules. Machines execute. Emotion removed. Algorithm runs Virginia server farm. 409 lines. Python. Algorithm simple. Market panics, it sells. Sells market panics more. Line 237 contains condition you wrote. Volatility exceeds threshold. Execute sell market price, no limit. Normal conditions, safety. Flash crash catalyst. Modeled this. Presented risk, CRO, Kellerman. Probability, flash crash 0.03%. Approved. 3 months later, algorithm executes two 18 sell orders, 4 minutes. Market drops 17%, recovers 11 minutes. Fund loses 41 million. SEC inquiry. Provide code, documentation, risk assessment. Everything legal, disclosed, inquiry closes. Stand window, 47 floors down city moves, realize could do again. No one stop. 3 days later, room 11 people recognize financial news. Deputy Governor Fed, Treasury Advisor, Sovereign Wealth MD, former ECB chief. Nobody introduces, host late 60s, silver hair, navy suit, no tie, pours water without asking, manages relationships, family office, 83 billion. Conversation, not markets. Policy. Deputy mentions Fed considering reserve adjustments. Does not say when, says considering. Enough. Listen. Do not take notes. Transfer context. Former chief asks opinion credit markets. Say spreads compressed duration risk, unpriced treasury yields. Rise, dislocations, secondary, not defaults, liquidity. Nods. 3 weeks yields spike 47 basis points. Fund increase cash 2 weeks earlier. Not insider information. Better information. Context. Perspective. Access. Shift. No longer reacting. Anticipating anticipation. Someone asks emerging market pegs. Pause. Not doubt. Calculating honesty. Say pegs political, not economic hold until do not question not if when. Thanks you. 6 months. 3 pegs break 2 weeks. Fund positioned. Made 218 million. Did not cause breaks. New coming. Understand minds behind markets, not markets themselves. Level 4. You are 34. Senior Portfolio Director. 19 billion AUM. 11 reports. Approved trades. Review risk. Decide bonuses. Win you win. Lose you answer. 1 report. Sarah Okoro. 32. Quant equity. 29 billion. Year down 3-1. Benchmark up 4-8. Underperforming 7-9. Call her. 1 question. Strategy still valid. Pauses. 2-8 seconds. Says yes. Valid regime. Shifted model. Aligned. Expect alpha 18 months. Believe her. Not words. Certainty. Another. David Huang. Credit arbitrage. 1-4 billion. Down 9-3. Same question. Pauses. 7-6 seconds. Says conditions. Challenging liquidity. Difficult external factors. Shutdown fund. Capital redistributed. David research role. Salary drops 60%. Leaves 3 months. Difference. Sarah David. 4-8 seconds hesitation. Markets reward conviction more correctness. Night try call father. Answers. Asks how are. Say fine. Asks coming Thanksgiving. Say maybe schedule unclear. Says sister bringing kids. Say nice. Silence. Asks happy. Do not answer. Say another call. Hang up. Do not have call. Sit dark office. Staring monitors. Realize do not know talk him anymore. Every word transactional. 2 weeks Deputy Minister Finance European calls 618. Encrypted line. No ID. Asks announce green bonds before central bank meeting. Answer without hesitation. Before spreads compress coordination. Timing. Confidence after momentum dilutes advantage lost. Says thank you. 2-11 seconds. 3 days announcement. 41 billion euros. 2 days before ECB. Spreads compress 11 basis points 4 hours. Fund holds 2-4 billion position opened 8 days before call. Generates 47 million. Not insider trading. Gave opinion. Opinion aligned position. Did not break law. Knew which law follow. Which walk along. Level 5. You are 38. Walk rooms. Central bank governors ask opinion. Not advice. Calibration. Room Basel. BIS. 14 people. 12 central banks. 1. IMF. You represent capital. Scandinavian governor asks, adjust collateral haircut covered bonds. Market response. Do not hesitate. Tighten haircuts. Funding costs. Rise. Housing slows. Loosen haircuts. Signal comfort. Spreads. Compress credit accelerates. 3 weeks announces no change because told him change would cost. Design structures now, not strategies. Legal structures. Tax structures. Architectures. Capital move borders without triggering events. Delaware, Cayman, Luxembourg. Client family office 72 billion. Chairman Garrett Whitmore, mid 50s, silver temples, white collar, built wealth logistics, sold company 93 billion. Manages capital. Design structure 72 billion move circle. Taxes paid for 2%. Without structure 38%. Difference 2 9 billion. Legal. Invisible. Perfect. Whitmore asks ethical. Pause. Not doubt. Calculating answer. Say legal. Says not what asked. Say legal all matters. Signs. Paid 4 million. 3 years saves 2 9 billion taxes. Money does not go governments. Stays structure. Compounds. 2 months read briefing. Whitmore state cuts school funding 93 million. Teacher layoffs. Cancellations. Stare to document screen. Tax memo. School cut announcement. Could connect dots. Do not. Close both. Open next. Night try unsubscribe news alerts. Stop halfway. Realize already stopped reading months ago. Never noticed. System rewards. People see numbers, not consequences. Stopped seeing consequences 3 years ago. Do not remember when. Level 6. You are 42. Encrypted call 618. Deputy Minister Finance G7. Asks announce green bonds before after central bank. Answer 11 seconds. Before spreads compress coordination after momentum dilutes. Thanks. Ends. 2:11 seconds. 3 days announcement. 41 billion euros. 2 days before ECB. Spreads compress 11 basis 4 hours. Fund holds 4 billion. Generates 47 million. Gave opinion. Opinion aligned. Knew which law. Follow. Ignore. Sit rooms now. No nameplates. Agendas. Minutes. Glass silence phones do not record. London, Zurich, Abu Dhabi. Sovereign wealth. Central bank advisors. Family offices. You. Nobody says buying oil. Say constructive energy timelines. Nobody says divesting Europe. Say rebalancing exposures. Language vague. Vagueness protection. Interpretation, not coordination. Everyone knows. Contribute 1 sentence meeting. Not more. Silence control. Duration. Risk mispriced, long sovereign real rates rising faster. Consensus risk, convexity, not credit. 3 weeks, 30-year yields, spike 41 basis. Fund reduced duration, 8 weeks earlier. Position possibility. Trading responds, positioning precedes. 3 years helped pension, CIO avoid. Bad PE, told fund over-levered, exit deteriorating. Past, fund collapsed 18 months, LPs lost 42%. Remembers, last month introduced sovereign wealth, Southeast Asia 118 billion, led mandate, 41 billion allocation strategies, capital follows trust, trust built years destroyed seconds, night phone missed call, daughter, check date, graduation last week, were Tokyo, Japan Post. 83 billion potential, sent flowers, called airport, open contact, stare photo, do not recognize, think someone else, check metadata, hers, 3 years old, not really looked 3 years, close phone, do not call back, realize, do not know what say. Every word sounds asset allocation, lost language family, only speak language capital now. Level 7, you are 45, receive email, subject do not come wedding, sender daughter, body 3 sentences, not there graduated, not there needed, will not be there this, no signature, stare screen, read 4 times, try call, does not answer, start reply, delete, start again, delete, type sorry, delete, type explain, delete, type please, delete, realize, do not know, say. Every word transactional. Negotiating terms, close email, do not reply, sit dark office, 47 floors up, city below moves, could go her, could fly, could show up, could try, do not. Not because do not care, because do not know how anymore. Machine taught eliminate hesitation, remove doubt, cut losses, did not teach be human when matters, spent 21 years learning stop feeling, cannot turn back 3 sentences. Night open black folder, 12 names, cross out 3, not underperformed, not errors, because system needs prove always measuring. Pick random, does not matter who, one portfolio manager, 41, manages 2 billion, solid returns, no mistakes, cross name anyway. Another senior analyst, 36, 2 decades career left, crosser 2, third risk officer, 53, close retirement, gone. Do not hesitate, learned long ago, hesitation weakness. Machine rewards elimination doubt, send folder, 3 careers and morning, Approved 11 seconds. Same time answering Deputy Minister bond timing. Go home. Do not think, daughter. Do not think 3 names. Do not think at all. Stop thinking years ago. Now just execute. Level 8. You are 51. Do not have title. Card carries name. People need know. Already know. People do not know. Do not matter. Called testify Senate Subcommittee Financial Stability. Closed session. 8 senators. Question repeats forms. Firm experience loss. Confidence mass redemptions. What happened? Markets. Answer carefully. Scenario A, UM. Rapid outflows force liquidate positions. Multiple classes simultaneously market share segments. Liquidation. Create dislocations. Institutional investors. Mark-to-market losses. Margin calls effect cascade. Senator says firm 2. Big fail. Say embedded infrastructure failure, not possibility model. Senator leans, asks ever regret. Room quiet, not official. Personal, pause. Not searching answer, deciding whether give honest. Say regret. Luxury cannot afford. Stares, do not blink. Moves on. Hearing ends, no legislation. Return work. Machine continues. After senior partner pulls aside. Private, no recording. Offers deal, walk away. 500 million. Guaranteed, no strings, retire, could see daughter wedding. Remember sleep, talk father before dies. Do not even pause. Say stay, asks why. Say walking away means irrelevant. Irrelevance only. Think fear, nods, understands, not staying money, staying necessity, need be necessary. Night open black folder. 12 names, cross 3, not failed. Because system needs show always measuring. Pick random. Does not matter who. Only matters list shorter. Become thing feared. 24. Machine decides who stays, disappears. Not afraid anymore, because no longer outside machine. Our machine. Machines do not feel fear. Just execute. Somewhere Glass Tower City never sleeps. 24-year-old opens terminal first time. Badge new. Chemical smell printer. Photo young face. Confident smile. Tie crooked. Title analyst investment strategy. Thinks 1, 42,000 wealth. Does not know wealth, not money. Wealth distance consequence. Sits pod floor 12, 3 monitors, laptop, phone not rung, manager sends file, Excel, 38 tabs, instructions review, DCF, check errors, clean tomorrow. Opens file. Does not know someone 21 years sat same building, different floor opening, same file. Does not know person open file now moves 9 trillion before market opens. Scrolls tabs, finds error. Cell G447, misplaced decimal, stares, 3 seconds, hesitates, thinks what means, then corrects, saves, sends back, does not ask what model for, does not ask whose jobs depend numbers, does not ask because does not want no. First lesson, machine teaches everyone, not asking easier knowing, 47 floors above close eyes, 11 minutes before next call, do not think him, think position emerging market debt, 8 billion, central bank announcement, 4 hours, hold rates make money, cut lose, modeled both, hedged tail, done everything correct, always uncertainty, not math, world, open black folder, cross 3 more names, list never empty, just updates, 12 floors, below terminal blinks, young hand keyboard, saves file, does not ask, machine notices, always notices, system takes breath, numbers refresh, markets open, cycle continues. Because never about money, about who can keep moving, everyone else stops feel. Stopped feeling cell G447. 21 years ago, machine noticed, rewarded, promoted, rebuilt, floor by floor, year by year, until nothing remained but function. Now, sit top. Not because climbed, because eliminated everything would have made stop. Sleep, family, doubt, humanity. Young analysts below will learn same. Or break, or leave. Machine does not care, just needs someone compatible, willing. Someone stops asking if right, starts asking if profitable. Terminal blinks, list updates, Thursday comes, black folder opens, 12 becomes 9. Machine breathes, never stops, never forgives, just selects. You were selected 21 years ago. Moment corrected. Cell G447 did not ask what meant. That was moment. Everything after inevitable.